Hello traders, it's BA here. October 31st, Monday evening 2016, and tonight we're going to look at the status of our open positions, any new trades that we may be contemplating, and what I'm dubbing the best intraday system out there. So let's get to it. Okay, first thing we're going to take a look at is the S&P position. Remember, I put the strangle on October 12th. I've been rolling it for 3 weeks. This is the 4th weekend. These are all the puts I've sold against the position. This is all the money I've collected. So far, we've collected 45.19. We're down approximately 26 and some change. So we're up about $1,700 or $1,800 in the thing. We're ahead of where we're supposed to be, but I'm really trying to get the grand slam on this one. So we'll see how it plays out. We have the Fed meeting this week. We have the fireworks with the inquiry into Hillary. So I'm really hoping that we get some up and down action here, preferably more down than up, because I got to tell you guys, there's everything I'm looking at. The sentiment trader stuff is pointing to higher prices going into the end of the year. I'd really like to see us get down in this market here, because I haven't seen a setup like this in a long time. I'd really like to get 5% lower in this S&P, and because I think no matter what happens in the stock market, we're going to see some knee-jerk reactions, and then we're going higher regardless of who wins this thing. It's just going to be a lot of knee-jerk reaction, and then the market's going to go higher. So that's what we have, I think, to look out for. Alright, so here's our crude trade. We put this on October 21st. Had a strangle. 55 days to go. We have been in the trade for 10 days. We currently have 45 days to expiration. We're down $1,030. Nothing to fret about. This is where price is. I'm going to take action at the 46 strike. She touches 46, and I'm going to take some action. I'm going to go in there and start adjusting my deltas. But until then, nothing to do. Just sit back and let this thing flip-flop around. Alright, this is the broken wing butterfly in the retirement account. We put this trade on September 26th in the SPX. 58 days to go. We currently have 25 days to expiration. We're up 1,049. We're just chugging right along in this thing. So inching ever so closely to our 25% profit target. Let's see, not that one just yet. There we go. There's the second one we put on. We put this one on October 12th in the SPX. 58 days to go. Currently have 39. So we're up $800. This thing's looking really good. So we're just going to wait on this one too. Nothing to do here. All right, this is the last broken wing butterfly I put on in the retirement account. Put it on October 24th. With 60 days to go, we currently have 53. We've been in the trade for 7 days. We're down $173. Nothing to fret about. We just stand back and let this thing do what it's supposed to do. Alright, this is the iron condor in the retirement account. We put this on October 27th with 43 days to go. Currently have 39. We've been in this trade for 4 days. We're down $224. Nothing to worry about here. Everything looks fine. Steady as she goes. We'll just let this one play out. Alright, here's the iron condor version of the strangle that's in my personal account. Again, guys, I'm trading my personal account just like this double your portfolio strategy. Doing the same thing in there. I'm just carving out a portion of my portfolio that I'm trying to double over the course of 12 months. So doing the same thing in it that I'm doing in this account here. So we put this trade on October 25th with 51 days to go. Currently have 45. We're down $840. Again, at the 46 strike, that's where we're going to take some action. And whatever action I decide to take, I'll let you know. It depends on how fast we get there. Okay guys, here is update to what I'm dubbing the best intraday trading strategy I've seen. So again, right chart is long-term filter. So right here we have the right hand chart in an uptrend, and we get the high probability signal right here. See, none of these trades, all these trades, the automated signals here meant nothing because we weren't in a downtrend during that time frame. So if I had the filter programmed in it, you wouldn't even see these signals right here. You would see this one, you would see this one. So we had a long trade, no heat at all, went straight up, good profit target, and we come back down, we flipped around, went bearish here, pull back, automated signal said to get in, swoosh right down, no heat at all. So two really good signals in the Aussie dollar and Canadian dollar. Alright, the Russell futures, just a really good trend on the long-term chart. So we wait for the setup. You don't have to wait too long. It gets in right here, again right there. No heat at all. As soon as you get in, the thing just goes your way and you get more than your profit target in this trade right here. Also guys, I'm not picking, you'll notice I'm more or less picking the last trade that shows up in this thing. This is not, I'm not cherry picking these setups right here. I'm just flipping to the last trade that sets up, and this is what actually shows. So here on the gold contract we have a bearish trend. Right in here is where the trade takes place, over here on the trigger chart. So we're in a downtrend. Gold's already started on the shorter term time frame to trade down. Reaction, automated signal says to get in. No heat whatsoever. You go right in and you definitely can get your profit target there. Apple stock. This one, we had some trade signals on the downside. I didn't show those simply because there was just a lot of them. There's a huge downtrend in Apple in the close, and it was like shooting fish in a barrel, so I prefer not to show anything. It's like the crude market. I'm not going to show you the crude chart today because that would make any system look good, intraday system, because all you had to do is sell it anywhere today and you'd have made money in crude market. So anyway, in Apple stock on the long-term trend, we're up. So we just wait for the reactions over here, wait for the blue signals. We buy here. You took some heat on this one, but you know there's no reason to get out. I mean, look, the lines didn't even buckle over here, so no reason at all to get out of the trade. None. So market recovers, goes back up. You get more signals right here. That's this area, and then it's off to the races after that. Definitely could get your profit target in there. Here's pairs trades. We come off, we're in a steep bearish trend in natural gas and heating oil. So nat gas was losing ground to heating oil on this time frame. So we see right here this cluster, just all kinds of ways to get in, and you know you could hit a profit target anywhere in there. You guys know we tend to hold these pairs trades a little bit longer than anything else. So hey, that's this intraday system works on everything. Alright guys, I'll tell you what, I think that is a wrap for tonight. I just wanted to quickly update you on some things. Have a happy Halloween, and I will send out an email first thing in the morning, let you know whether or not I've got a classroom available for us for tomorrow night. Anyway, have a good night. This is BA out.